Okay, so this is reflection is gonna be about the fitness class I do, and so I haven't probably done a reflection in about a month, and I don't, to be honest, I don't really remember what my goal is, but I know it was around using 4 or 5 pound weights at the practice. So I tried to use 5 pound weights, but I didn't really like it. Well, I did it and I kind of stuck to the goal. The only thing is, the next day, the day after I used it, I'd be like in a lot of pain and I couldn't, like it would hurt every time I moved my back. So I figured that I needed to change and do something else. So my goal is now I'm using 4 pound weights, and most classes I've been able to make it through. It's pretty hard though because you get really tired probably about halfway through. And so what I've been doing is it's kind of been like a countdown. So it's like just that like motivation kind of that works for me is like we do a countdown. So it's like 55 minutes and I've made it, and then it's like 50 minutes left, and then eventually to hopefully 0. And that's been working for me as well. And my goal now is, if I can get really good at using the 4 pound weights, to try the 5 pound weights again and hopefully not be in so much pain the next day, because there's no point in doing something if you're going to be in pain for like 5 days and feel like you can't move or walk. So I just think it may have been too much of a leap. So maybe take like a step before you jump type of thing, instead of just doing like huge leaps. So that's going to be my goal now, to you do a few more classes of just using the 4 pound weights before I go try the 5 pound weights again. And I'm going to do the same goal as last time, where you start for like doing it for 10 minutes and then you go to 15 and 20 every class, so you gradually build up. But I've been doing pretty well, I think, and maybe not so good in the last week because I've been missing a few classes just because I've been away and other things. So hopefully I can stop that and kind of get motivated to actually go to class. And I mean, sometimes it's hard, like today, I don't really want to go, but it's one of those things where you kind of have to push yourself. And I think that kind of reflects life, where it's those days where you just really don't want to do something, but you kind of have to do it. And so my second goal is probably to kind of find something to make it motivated, so it's not like something I have to do, but something I want to do, if that makes sense.